Good morning students. Today we study about the wetland ecosystem. The wetland ecosystem comprises area that transition between terrestrial areas, that is land, and aquatic areas, that is water. The wetland ecosystem represents a richly diverse web of plants and animals interacting together. Wetland ecosystem also exhibit great sensitivity to disturbance from outside influence, particularly by human development and environmental damage. Wetland ecosystem provides the world with natural storm barriers, environmental cleansers, food and water resources for many forms of life. Wetland can be found throughout the world except Antarctica, in areas intersecting bodies of water and land. The wetland can take many forms. Some types of wetland include marshes, fens, bogs, riparian wetland, swamps and estuaries. The wetland act as a Earth's kidney because they filter the water. Therefore, wetlands are called the kidneys of the earth. Wetlands that exist away from ocean obtain their water from groundwater and precipitation. Wetlands in coastal environments receive precipitation and groundwater, but they are also affected by seawater and tides. In wetland, the water table sits at or close to the surface of land, and shallow water often covers the area. Some other characteristics of wetland may include land supporting aquatic vegetation, a substrate of saturated soil, and substrate not comprised of soil but inundated with water during the growing season. The water in wetland ecosystem can be fresh water, salt water, brackish water or flowing water. Wetland contains wet soil and typically anaerobic environments and rooted plants and other forms of life used to those conditions, while remaining distinct characteristics of wetland may blend both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Then the types of wetland. There are emergent wetland, shrub wetlands, swamps, riparian wetlands. Wetlands that contain rooted vegetation are considered emergent wetlands, and these include marshes and fens. Emergent wetlands include such plants as cattails, rushes and water lilies. In shrub wetlands, small saplings under 20 feet in height coincide with shrubs. Flooding may be seasonal or permanent. One example of shrub wetland is the bog, which contains peat mats that float away from the shore. The water of bog tends towards higher acidity and lower oxygen level, and it is not favorable for fish. Tall trees and their understory dominate forested wetland such as swamps. Vernal pools represents temporary shallow depressions formed from spring rains. When the water table reaches the surface, spring and seeps occur and provide another form of wetland important to plants and wildlife. Riparian wetlands comprise these areas alongside flowing waters such as streams and rivers. Typically, soils erode in such areas. Abiotic factors of wetland. They are water, weather, effects of tides, sedimentation, erosion, turbidity means the water clarity, nutrients, alkalinity, temperature, and physical dynamics such as ice scoring in colder climates, bedrock. These are the abiotic factors of wetland. And lastly, human intrusion via land use. The dominant wildlife in wetlands. Wetland provide extraordinary wildlife diversity. The dominant wetland wildlife includes fishes and crustaceans, migrating birds and waterfowl, and some mammal species such as foxes, mink, deer, even bears. Wetlands serve as spawning and nursery grounds for many fish, turtles, frogs, snakes, and other reptiles and amphibians called wetland home. Many of these animals provide food for other animals and for people. A number of endangered, threatened wildlife species reside in wetlands. Dominant wildlife in wetlands, whether they are birds, mammals, fish, or invertebrates, rely upon the primary producers like aquatic vegetation to survive. The dominant wetland life species ensure food webs remain intact both near and far from wetlands. Importance of protecting wetland. Wetland ecology represents abundance between the species, represents a balance between the species and live in wetland and the environment around them. Hydrology affects every aspect of wetland ecology. Flooding shapes the chemical and physical characteristics of wetland and how much oxygen exists in them. When this delicate balance gets disturbed, wetland and their denizens suffer. The world wetland have endured dramatic changes under the influence of human settlements, agriculture, and its runoff, and industrial pollution. Pollution disrupts the chemical balance of wetland that plants and animals depend upon to survive. Wetlands provide flood control, storm barriers, clean water, and aquifer restoration. They also neutralize bacteria, absorb harmful chemicals, and filter pollutants. Wetlands provide foods such as rice, fish, cranberries, and other products with unparalleled economic importance. Scientists estimate at least 40% of the entire world species resides in wetland. Without healthy wetlands ecosystem, many species on Earth would suffer. Additionally, wetlands provide beauty and outdoor recreational activities for people to enjoy. Finding sustainable methods to conserve wetlands in an ever-changing world remains of paramount importance. This is all about the importance of wetland. Now, in the world, there are about 2,400 wetlands except in Antarctica. Out of which, in India, there are 42 wetlands, and in this, in UP, there are 8 wetlands, which is highest in number, followed by the Punjab, where 6 wetlands are present. The largest wetland in India, it is Sundarban wetland in West Bengal, and smallest wetland in India is Renuka wetland in Himachal Pradesh, which is of 0.0 square kilometer, and bigger than the Renuka wetland, it is Chandartal wetland of 0.49 square kilometer in Himachal Pradesh. In Maharashtra, Lonar Lake and Nandur Madhameshwar, these are the 2 wetlands in Maharashtra. Some of the wetlands are Rudrasagar Lake in Tripura, Sambar Lake, Sur Sarovar Lake in Rajasthan, Ular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary in Gujarat, Loktal Lake in Manipur, Oleru Lake in Andhra Pradesh, Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary in Punjab, Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary, Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary in UP. These are some of the wetlands of India. This is all about the wetland ecosystem. Thank you.